How to delete Happn account. I am going to show you how you can easily delete a Happn account. Open Happn. This app icon looks like two white GPS markers next to each other on a blue background. You will find this on the home screen, in the app drawer, or by searching. Log in if prompted. Tap your account avatar menu. You will see this at the rightmost icon at the bottom. Tap App Settings. You might have to scroll down to see this. Tap My Data. This option is near the bottom of the menu, so you will need to scroll down. Tap Delete My Account. You will be prompted if you want to pause or delete your account. If you pause your account, it will disappear from the app, but you will be able to reactivate it if you delete your account. It will be deleted from the app, and you won't have the ability to reactivate it. Tap Delete My Account. You will then be prompted to give a reason for deleting the account. Pick a reason to continue. Tap Yes, I am done after you tap a reason. The Yes, I am done button will appear. You will get a confirmation pop-up that lets you know your account has been deleted.